You know, if you live in this side of the world, if you live in this region, one thing you cannot escape from is overheating. Everything overheats, including your cameras. Sometimes when you're shooting indoors, your camera will overheat. If you're shooting outdoors, it's even worse. It gets hot. And what happens? You have to stop your recording, wait until it gets cooled off, and then start recording again. Or your creativity just goes into the bush. Well, that is about to stop because Ulanzi has made a way out of this situation. Now, what I have here is the Ulanzi thermostatic semiconductor camera cooler kit. I like to call this thing a fridge. So basically, this is what Ulanzi has done, right? See this right here? What this has the capacity to do is to put a fridge next to your camera. So what this does is this stops your camera from overheating. You know what? Let me open the box so you guys see exactly what's in the box. Alrighty, so we have a manual. Don't really care for that. Then we have a battery. Let me show you what that battery looks like. This here goes the battery. And then we have the USB-C cable for charging. And then finally, we have the refrigerator itself. This is what it looks like. Good. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to attach it to this Canon camera right here so you see exactly how it works. Now, when you want to use this gear right here, this is 1, this is 2. This is how you attach both, right? Bring it together. See this portion here and see this here? They come together. So what we're going to do now is we're going to attach it directly into the camera so you see how it works. Now, setting this up with the cooler is actually very simple. All you have to do, this portion here, that's how it goes into the camera. So you go this way. See that? So it's in there. The next thing you do is you put it on. Now there's a switch here. You have to hold on to that switch for about like 3 seconds. Good. Now it's on. You can notice it has this blue light, right? Now the moment it comes on, it goes to level 1. The next thing you can do is click on it one more time. It goes to level 2. If you click on it one more time, it goes to auto. And if you want to switch it off, hold on to it again. Now, if you look at it by the side, you see 3 lights. Now, it gives you 4 indicators. Right now, I've actually used it to cool myself off. So I have just 3 bars left. So these bars actually define how much power you have left. And if you want to shut it down, all you need to do is just hold on to it for a few seconds. And that's it. And that's basically how you stop your camera from overheating. Ain't that just cool? So get yourself today a Ulanzi CU01 fridge. As far as I'm concerned, this is good.